Bitcoin white paper was published on October 31st, 2008 by a person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. This 9-page document, titled A Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System, outlined the concept and design of Bitcoin, establishing the network's fundamental framework. On January 3rd, 2009, this concept became reality as the Bitcoin network came online for the first time and Bitcoin's Genesis block was mined. With it came a message, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks, which referenced a headline from a British newspaper from that same day. From the very beginning, Bitcoin was available to anyone with an internet connection. There were no pre-mined coins, and Bitcoin blocks could be mined using a laptop computer. Each block came with a reward of 50 Bitcoin. On January 12, 2009, at block height 170, Satoshi Nakamoto sent 10 Bitcoin to fellow cryptographer Hal Finney. This marked the first ever Bitcoin transaction. The following year, the first real-world transaction would take place as programmer Laszlo Hanowitz offered 10,000 Bitcoin in exchange for 2 pizzas. The creation of Bitcoin introduced the world to a new form of digital money that ultimately became the first successful implementation of cryptocurrency. In our next About Bitcoin videos, we'll provide a high-level overview of the Bitcoin network as we've come to know it today.